Welcome back. Now, in this video, we are going to work a little more extensively with the 3D models. In order to do that, we're going to insert a blank slide. So we're going to go to New Slide. We're going to go down to this blank slide, and we're going to open up this blank box. What we're going to do first then is we're going to place a text box inside. So we're going to draw that text box. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert a 3D model. We're going to insert that 3D model from one of the online sources. Now, if you have a file, you can use that one. We're going to use some of the ones given to us by Microsoft PowerPoint. What we're going to do is we're going to grab this chalkboard. We're going to click Insert. And then the 3D model is going to be drawn. And then we have the 3D model. As you can tell, we can then rotate this 3D model to get different views. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the animations. So for example, we're going to go to the Animations tab. And what you're going to notice is that the Animations tab now has different options other than the default ones. And that's because we're using a 3D image. So what we can do is we can test different animations. So we're going to make sure that our preview is turned on, our auto preview is turned on, and we can now test different animations. So we're going to test the arrive animation. And that's what the arrive animation looks like. We're going to test the turntable animation. This might be one that you want to do. We can test the swing animation. And we can test the jump and turn. And we can test the leave animation. Now, if you'll notice, each of these animations has different effects. So, for example, if we were to just look at the arrive animation, what we can do is we can go to the effect options. We can change this to counterclockwise. We can change it again to left. So each of the 3D animations has effects that we can play with in order to use our 3D inside of our presentation. Of course, we can reformat our 3D model. If we click on the link and we go to the Format command, and of course, we can also pan and zoom the animation, which you'll be able to do with the 3D image. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.